Veteran bureaucrat and author Shahzad Muhammad Khan passed away on Sunday at the age of 67 after a brief illness, leaving behind a legacy of humility and dedication. Known for his exemplary work in public relations, Khan served in key roles, including as the spokesperson for the CBI and press secretary to President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He also wrote a memoir about Dr. Kalam, Awami Sadr, which shed light on the untold aspects of the president's life. Khan's career spanned over decades, during which he handled high profile cases like the Harshad Mehta scam, the Bofors scandals, and Rajiv Gandhi assassination. He also served as Director General of Doordarshan, overseeing major events like the National Film Awards and Cannes Film Festival coverage, a strong advocate for cultural harmony. He was elected Vice President of the India Islamic Cultural Center and remained closely connected to Aligarh Muslim University. Khan's passing marks the end of an era in Indian information services, and he is remembered for his loyalty, dedication, and remarkable contributions to public life. His last rites took place in his hometown, Khurja, Uttar Pradesh.